Hello, hello. So, me and my smartness have been sitting here talking for 2 minutes without realizing I wasn't making a video. I had just taken a photo of the first second of me talking. So I'll try again. Hello, it's Saturday. For me, whenever you're watching it, for me it's Saturday. I have a plant pod here. It's supposed to be Jigsaw Chocolate. I don't know how they're supposed to be when the pheno is. This is the biggest one I have. It's not as gnarly. I was hoping for some more gnarliness, but should be good. Hopefully it's good. I have a lot more pods, but they are smaller. A lot smaller. I guess I can use them in some sauces or make them into powder or just eat them. Hopefully. I like the brown pods. I like the earthiness. The bitterness not that much, but the earthiness I kind of enjoy it. And so far I've been enjoying the burn from these brown ones. So Jigsaw Chocolate. Here we go. Yeah. Instant take. I'm sorry. I had to sneeze. Oh. This was hot. Sorry for the sneeze. I'm having a full mouth burn. Very good throat burn. Probably some chunks stuck in my throat. Sorry, I just need to swallow. Bad form of me to sneeze like that, but I couldn't stop it. The burn though. Flavor. I'm so sorry. A tear. Flavor. Good. Like brown. Earthiness. Perhaps some smokiness. So hot. So hot. I'm sorry for drinking, but that sneeze did something to my throat. Another tear. My tongue burns. My throat really burns. It has peaked, but it's still burning good. Oh, I'm sorry. Pain like this puts you in a frame state of mind sometimes where you just have to soak in the moment and hope it doesn't lead to the worst stomach cramps. My last video I made was 2 days ago on Thursday. It was I ate something, a Red Bull, I think Butla something, and I had to get up at 6 a.m. next morning because to do some work, and I've been looking forward to it for a year, and helping a little bit the days before that and the same day. Been drinking way too much coffee because I get served coffee as much as I want. Then I drink it all the time, and I've learned a million times that I shouldn't drink too much coffee, and at least not after a certain point of the day, because it will affect my sleeping. So I ate the pod. It went over. I enjoyed a couple of hours. Sofa, TV. Went to bed. Read some book. Turned the lights off. Turned the eyes on. Laid there for some hours as I was finally getting ready to get some sleep at like 2 in the night. The cramps came. Violent cramps. Just lasted a few minutes, but they woke me again. I finally fell asleep at 3 or 4. Got some sleep, but I was like zombie ding all Friday. That's the chilly life. That's how it goes. It's worth it because life is good when you do what you like. I think this for me is about mastering stuff that makes me uncomfortable. Pain. Doing stuff I know I'm gonna put myself in pain. Putting it out there on the internet. Susceptible to all kinds of comments and views. Which is fine. I think it makes me better and stronger. Yes, okay, enough. It's almost away now. It's still burning, but it's just a pleasant thing in the background. So, 10 minutes should be enough. Thank you again for listening in and watching me do stuff you're not supposed to do. But I have another day of work to do before I can get some sleep and a proper vacation and get my son back in the house. I hope you have a beautiful rest of the weekend, and remember to be nice and good and lovely. Bye bye.